If you want to remove a memory card from your POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. And there is also the SIM tray hole. We need to use the eject tool in order to, of course, eject the SIM tray. You can find your eject tool inside the box, for example. Once you have it, put the eject tool into the SIM tray hole. There we go. And then push it into the phone with a little bit of force to pop out the SIM tray. We're gonna use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove it from the phone. And there we go. Now on the reverse side we have our microSD card, and we need to try to remove it. So you can try to grab it from this side over here. Maybe you can use the eject tool for the help. You can try to like push it from this side over here if you need some help. And sometimes you can just slightly bend it. So I'm gonna put it all the way back in. You can slightly, with a little bit of force, bend the SIM tray in order to make the memory card pop out. I'm not sure if I can actually do this, but I can see that it is trying to stick out. So maybe I can just do it the other way around. There we go. It just dropped. But of course, you don't want to use too much force. You don't really want to break the SIM tray. So once we remove the memory card, of course, remember to insert the SIM tray back into the phone and make sure that it is pushed all the way in. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.